Hello friends, welcome to our live stream. This is Sophie.
This is Lisa.
We are from Weibo. We are here for you. You can know what we are doing and what you can get from us. This is a new opportunity for you to investment and get profit. First part, let me introduce the development of our company. Lisa, please look at the PowerPoint. What's your feeling when you see those pictures?
And from the picture, I can see that the waste oil pollutes the land and the water, so it looks very bad.
Yes, as we can see in the picture, the water is very dark and dirty. Let's see a short video about the used oil pollution.
Yes.
Tani ranshira dhe vërshuan ujrat e maleve lartë dhe kanë larë dhe kanë shplarë këtë pjesë që nuk duket mirë. Se këtu gjatë beharit kjo rri komplet e ngopur me naftë dhe bëhet dhe derdhja në lumin vjos. Tu duhet ndërhy dikush që ta ndaloj këtë punës dhe ta filtroj si janë problemet e tyre, sepse kjo është tej e rënduar. Këtu nuk mund të rrish domon vetëm nga gazrat e naftës. Në helmi i naftës si lëshon nafta në këtë lumë. Edhe merë gjithë fushën. Mua më ka prishur edhe pemët gazi i kësaj nafte. Unë e kam patu bashkën time të mbil me pjeshkë.
You know, Lisa, because the used oil contains some harmful compounds like sulfur. Yes, if we purify the used oil into the river directly, it will poison the fish and other wildlife, and then they will die.
Yes.
So the environmental pollution and the limited resources are two major problems in the world. And I believe all of us concerned about those problems.
Yes, and what we can do is that how we improve this situation and recycle this waste oil and get profits from the waste oil.
Yes, and we want to protect our environment and also want to recycle more resources. So our company version is to let the limited resources infinite recycling. In 2018 years, our company was established.
Yes, and since this year in our company development rapidly. So what are the many achievements we have during this primary stage?
Since our company was established from 2018 years, we have made a lot of achievements. In these years, we have base oil distillation plant and some oil purifier. And we have changed the used oil distillation, used oil to diesel and base oil in batch machine.
Oh yes, so it means that our machine can process the waste oil to base oil and diesel, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's great.
And in the following years, we started to cooperate with some foreign or professional team. And in 2012 years, we have our own brand, Weeboard.
Yes, and we have cooperated many foreign trading companies. So, in which country we have completed these projects?
As you can see in the PowerPoint, it's our 5 times per day to turn to the use engine oil to diesel in South Africa. After install the machine, we have tested the machine and we have turned to the induction machine to the continuous. It makes our machine more efficient.
Oh yes, and change the large machine to continuous machine. It means more productivity.
Yes. And also we have get many innovations those years. Lisa, do you know the advantage of the membrane distillation technology?
Yes, compared with the traditional distillation technology, and I think there are 4 advantages about the siphon evaporating technology. And first of all, this technology can make the waste oil to form dynamic molecular, and this oil film can be evaporated rapidly in a short time, and it also can remove the water and the light hydrocarbons out of the waste oil. So in general, this technology can bring us more profits because it's more productivity and efficiency.
So compared with the traditional technology, our membrane distillation technology is more efficient.
Yes, and more efficiency is more profits.
Great. And how about the sulfur content? This is a main factor about the oil quantity. How do you reduce the sulfur content?
Yes, and we know that the sulfur content of the used engine oil is normally between 4,000 to 5,000 ppm, and after treated by our machine, we can help our customer to get the diesel with 50 ppm sulfur content.
But we will know that in the Pyrenees oil, the sulfur content is more higher than the used engine oil. How do we reduce the sulfur content?
Yes, and we also have development the extraction technology, and this extraction technology can reduce the sulfur content. But for our company, I think just as I mentioned, the semi-evaporation technology also can reduce the sulfur content of the tire pyrolysis oil. So it's our company's trump card, and we know that the sulfur content of the tire pyrolysis oil is about 10,000 ppm, and after processed by our machine, we can get the diesel about 100 to 200 ppm. So for this reason, so we don't need to use the extraction system.
Oh, so great. And let's see a short video about our factory.
Chongqing Weebold Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is a professional manufacturer engaged in the research, development, production, sale and service of waste oil recycle equipment, oil filtering equipment, extraction equipment, and distillation equipment. In recent years, Weebold have obtained CE certificates, R&D multiple techniques, and successfully applied for patents. These include thin film evaporation systems, completely continuous high-efficiency membrane distillation systems, vacuum distillation systems, diesel oxidative desulfurization systems, chemical recycling systems, lubricant regeneration systems, etc. Weebold high-efficiency distillation equipment could not only recycle waste diesel engine oil, gasoline engine oil, various engine oils, industrial oils, hydraulic oil, transformer oil, etc., but also catalyze cracking of pyrolysis oils such as plastic pyrolysis, tire pyrolysis, and rubber pyrolysis, etc. At present, the completely continuous high-efficiency membrane distillation is the most advanced technology in 2019. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in many cities and provinces around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Southeast Asia, Africa, and Middle East. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome you from all over the world to our factory.
Also, in those years, we have research and development. In the field of oil treatment, we have get many certifications. What's the meaning of the Chinese scientist form, Lisa?
Oh yes, and this award is issued by the Chinese Scientists Forum, and this award praises our company's progress and innovation in the oil distillation technology. So I think this is a great honor for our company, also for the oil refinery industry.
Also, we have get many exclusive patents, like we talked about before, the membrane distillation technology.
Yes, and the sulfur reduction technology, etc.
Yes, if we want to protect the environment, but we will know if we process or use oil, there will generate some vast gas. How do you achieve this part?
Yes, and we know that all of us are responsible for the environmental protection, so this is also an important part for our company. So our company will do 2 steps to clear the waste gas. And first of all, we will remove the acid in the left side tower, and then we will use the UV oxygen catalytic equipment to remove some bad smell and bacteria of the waste gas.
So you mean after treatment by our machine, is there the emission?
Yes, and it can realize the emission standard.
Okay, great. And the next part, let me introduce the main products of our factory. The first one is our used oil to diesel distillation plant, and the second is used oil to base oil distillation plant, and the final is our oil purifier. And the first one is our used oil to diesel distillation plant. Our diesel distillation plant can treat different kinds of used oil.
Yes.
Like used engine oil, used motor oil, heavy fuel oil, and so on. Before treatment, the used oil color is very dark, and after treated by our machine, we can get a yellow or water red color diesel. And we have talked about the sulfur content before, because the used oil, the sulfur content is high.
Yes. And from the PowerPoint, we can see that we can help our customer get the diesel with 50 ppm. So, and also from our previous experience and the feedback provided by our customer, normally we can help our customer to get the diesel with about 10 ppm sulfur content, or less than 10 ppm.
Yes, after treated by our machine, the final diesel can use for generator, burner, car directly. And let's see a short video about our normal distillation plant.
3박 4일 나면 과연 집에 가야
And ours are base oil distillation plant. Also can treat different kinds of used oil. After treated by our machine, we can get a cotton-based oil.
Yes, but for some of our customers, they want to make the base oil into the lubricant oil, and so can we provide them the lubricant oil blending machine?
Yes, of course. Our base oil with additive, we can get lubricating oil. This process we only need one blending plant. Our factory also provide this.
Oh yes, that's great.
And the legacy is our oil purifier. And from the PowerPoint, you can see this is different types of our oil purifier. From the appearance, it looks very beautiful, and with the wheel, it can move easily, and it's very convenient for us to use.
Yes, and from the picture, we can see that the final oil is with red color, but some of our customers want to they need the final oil with yellow color or water-like color. So can we do this?
Yes, our factory also provided color writing system. Can change the bed color to yellow or water red color. Okay, this is a short video about our oil purifier.
Video, we can see that the final oil is very clear and pure.
Yes, Lisa, many customers want to do this project, but they don't know what they should do.
Yes, so this is our company's duty, and to help our customers to invest small money, but they can get more profits from this oil recycling.
Money is very important for all of us. About the investment and the profit, can you analyze this part of our customer?
Of course, and so today I will take one ton per day machine for example, and I will give you more explanation and to the costs and profits. And from this table, we can see that there are many 5 costs in the oil recycling machine: in the labor, the electricity, the heating, the additives, and the used oil.
How many labor we need each shift?
Yes, and for the 1 ton per day machine, we just need 1 staff to run the machine.
And how about the heating rate? Because some countries, if we use the electricity, it's very high cost.
Yes, and if the price is high in your country, so we can also provide various heating methods, such as the coal heating, the wood heating, or the burner heating.
So we can choose the heating ways according to our customers' local market.
Yes.
And how about the additive?
And for the additives, for the 1 ton per day machine, the cost is just only $25. And also, we can give you some samples after you place the order, so you can take this sample to your local market, and then you can buy it.
So about the additives, our customers can buy from their local market.
Yes, of course.
Maybe that's much cheaper than to buy from our country.
Yes.
And we have to say the cost is very low. How about the income?
Yes, and for the income part, you can get three products from our machine: the diesel, the light fuel oil, and the sludge.
Before talked about we want to protect our environment, but there we have generated some sludge. How to do this part?
Oh yes, and this sludge is not what we think about. And the main components of this sludge is the asphalt. You know, in China, we use the asphalt to pave the roads, and so also you can sell this sludge in your local market, and you can get the profits from this part.
So you mean how to deal with the sludge? There are two ways.
Yeah.
First is to pave the roads, and the second is to sell.
Yes. And so for the 1 ton per day machine, and the daily profits is about $500. And so you can give back your investment after 6 months or 1 year. And then also if your working capacity is about 10 tons per day, 20 tons per day, you can get more profits from our machine. And you can also realize the profits more and year by year.
That's great. It shows that we just investment a little, but we can get big profit.
Yes, so it's really a good chance.
We just analyze the 1 ton per day. If
Yeah.
our machine is more big, and we can get more profit. And if our customers want to do this project, you can send your requirements
Yes.
to me. We will analyze the cost and the profit for you.
Yes.
We have lots of technology and the development of the company. Many customers also concerned about the service.
Yeah, and our company have a perfect and high standard service system. And before you place an order, you can send us your waste oil for experiments to see that if the quality of the diesel and the base oil is satisfactory to you. So let's watch a video about the test.
So you pre-order. Our customers can visit our factory with the used oil sample. We can do the experiment.
Yes.
And also, or you can send the used oil sample for us. We do the oil experiment. And that you can know our oil quantity and the technology more.
Yes, and after you place the order and our engineer will also make the drawings for you, and we can give you more suggestion to help you to invest more, and you get the more profits from the oil recycling machine.
Because in this part, many customers have limited space about the dimension of the machine. Can you design according to the customer's layout?
Yes, of course, we are customized product. So if your space is limited, and you can give us your data, and we can give you solutions, and we'll help you to make the layout and how to put this machine. And we can also adjust the dimension of the machine according to your factory and your requirements.
after-sales service.
Yes, for the after-sales service part, and after the machine arrives at your country, and our company will dispatch our engineer to your factory to give you more technical assistance, such as installation of the machine and commission the machine.
Yes, and many customers want to more confident to do this project.
Yes.
So there are many successful cases that you can show us.
Of course, and our company also have done so many projects all over the world, and it may be distributed to the South America, Africa, and Southeast Asia. And now I will show you more video about our projects we've done in recent years. So the first video is about our 50-ton per day machine in Thailand, and they need to process the tire pyrolysis oil to diesel. Let's enjoy them. Customer, and they need to process the used engine oil to diesel.
This year, the weather's problems is very terrible. It had affected our life and business. How about our customers' project?
Yes, and because of the corona situation, and until now we have 2 machines still in installation period, and the first machine is our 20 ton per day in Australia, and the second machine is 6 ton per day in our Israel customer. So we can see the video about the 20 ton per day machine in Australia, and to see that how this project going on. Provided by our engineer in Australia, and from the video we can see that we have completed the preliminary works, and the unfinished part include painting and wrapping the insulation materials and collecting the circuits, and all the unfinished parts will be finished after 1 month.
Oh, that's very great. And thanks for the customers still trust our technology.
Yes, and we know that all the success cannot be achieved without our customer support and our team's cooperation. So thanks for your kindness to us.
Yes. Thanks for your watching.